So, friends, good evening. I hope you can see this. So I hope, let's look if we can start here or not. I already start my live stream. Yes, say 16 seconds. So, in the live chat, guten Abend to German. We start with Fed and Bitcoin price, yeah, and compare and look to the behavior of the Fed and has the Fed meeting effect of the to the Bitcoin price. Yeah, if you if you look to the behavior between dollar and the Bitcoin, there's a relationship between them. Yeah, if the dollar goes up, the Bitcoin price is going down. If Bitcoin goes up, the dollar price is going to the downside. Yeah. So, and now you can see that the next Fed meeting is mid of June. Yeah. So something will happen at June, mid of June. Yeah, this is, let me look, what is mid of June? This is here, this. Yeah, so let me look here. So this is our day in which the Fed will announce some things. Yeah, the inflation, blah blah, is too high. We have to reduce, or we have to, what can I say, rise the interest rates and or something like that. Yeah. In my eyes, this is only politics. Yeah. So rising and fall of these interest rates. But important for you is that this year, what is announced will affect also Bitcoin price. Yeah. But I said this to you, the walls and this whole construct, yeah, um, make his politics so in a way that some markets go here to the downside and some markets are pushed to the upside. Yeah, in my eyes, the walls, the big banks and the big influencer, yeah, um, control the Bitcoin price. Yeah. Not everybody will say yes to this info, yeah, but this is the fact. If I look to the behavior of this Fed and other walls, then they control this to 100%. This is for me also, how can I say, this information, yeah, which I compare. I know, okay, here's a big event. This event will um, affect maybe the Bitcoin price, but for me is from a technical point of view that we have to go here to the downside. Yeah. So, and this year, what's happening here will maybe affect the Bitcoin price. So I hope you understand me. Yeah. For me is here a big event have to rising so that the price of Bitcoin should go here to the downside. That we know this because the Bitcoin price is still in a negative channel. So what is the next big event? This. Yeah. So makes sense. Yeah, that the price go here sideways, yeah, and then from this point here to the downside to 16,000. Make also sense because this construct here is an inverse left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Yeah. Make also sense if you look here, maybe the people understand this, that we already break here the structure and break here the structure and make here a retest. Yeah. So we're looking to the chat, what my subscriber write to me. So we're looking to Mike Freeman. He say, no, now everyone is talking about the fake pump. Every Mumbai is bearish. They are 3 or 4 months behind me, yeah. And let's look. Sentiments is extremely low. Everyone is selling and shorting, giving fuel to fill Wolf big bags. Okay, perfect environment to reversal. I would say the big failure, yeah, or the big error what the people make here, they look to the charts sentiment and so on, um, and look, okay, this sentiment is negative. Yeah? This is maybe 40, 50, 60% good, but this is not a sign in which you have to believe. Yeah? Because these sentiments and this structure or this diagrams is also made by them, by the vaults. So I would not trust them. I trust my eyes, and my eyes say we are here in the negative channel. Yeah? We are not breaking this negative channel, not at this moment. Yeah? And you can see we touch this 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and if we here not break here to the upside, if this is not happening, then we will here go here to the downside. Let's look more inside. Have we the energy? Yeah, this is not the um, answer or info from my side, in which I say, okay, I make a random prediction and say this to my subscribers. No, you can see this from here. Let me look. So you can see I already draw this. We touch this line here 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. I think in the next 1, 2 days, the price will break here down. Once we reach this here, is for me clear signs, because from this point I know we will make a retest. Yeah, the price will go here to the upside. Maybe we could reach here this level 32,000 again. But then it's finished, because then we have here this formation here, big left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Look, yeah. There's not only blah blah what I'm talking here, yeah. I'm not talking blah blah general, but um, I'm talking with facts, and for me is this pattern that I see here, and this is a dangerous pattern if you see this, yeah. Um, this is already built this year. This is also built. The next structure is this, that we have to go here to the downside. Yeah. Let's look if this is coming true or not. But I'm not so optimistic about the Bitcoin price. Let's look here. But also I'm honest to you, we have here also signs that the walls can stretch this to 34,000 here. So this, what is coming, the next, the last, is the aggressive one. Yeah, that means the walls play here really hard. Yeah, really hard. I mean, yeah, such also this 34,000 and downside. Yeah, both are the same. This construct and this construct are the same, but most of the cases is so that we going from the half of this construct to the downside and make a retest. Yeah. So I'm not here 100% sure if we take this way or this way, but if you're asking me if this construct a good construct, I would say clear no. Yeah. You can see I predict here at the 30 minutes chart. If we're looking here, then this is getting more clear that this here is only a retest of this. Let me look. So you can see the next support or resistance is here. The next is here. So between them here, we will hold. Yeah. The price of Bitcoin will stay between them. Yeah. And you can see how many energy we have. So you can see between 34,000 and this here. That I expect. Yeah. And this is not 100% sure. I would say, in my eyes, this is more real. I make this in red that you can see. In my eyes, this is more real here because we get then the left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation go here to the downside. But I'm honest to you, I have to tell this to you that the walls can stretch this really, really hard, yeah, to these levels. We have the same construct here, but the fall is even harder, also to the downside. But we're talking about, look, between 31,000 and 34,000, but the fall is even harder if we once break here this structure here, yeah, then you can forget the Bitcoin price. So, but we have to fill this gap here. The meeting is yet 13, 15 June. So we have to fill this gap here. So between today is 1 of June, yeah. And you can see in 13 days we have to fill, I think we have to fill this with this formation here, this inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. The price could go here to the downside. Let's look to the chat what the people say. So one question is, which level to expect the Bitcoin big dump, please? I expect the Bitcoin price between, you can see here, 16,000 and 9,000. Why? Why I expect this? Because you can see this was a retest. Yeah, this was a retest, and after the retest, the price will fall here to very hard to the downside. Let me look here. Yes, I know this formation. Yes, makes sense. Look, if we one step we already made, and the next step is this, and you can see clear in big. I make this in. Let's make green. Look, we have this, and we have this. This is the inverse left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. Really aggressive, and this is not the only one. Yeah, this is only the right shoulder. We have this, and then if you want this in big, you have this, and this. So this is coming is a big event. The prices will smash to the downside. Nobody can tell me that this year all is positive. We have here strong negative signs. So a lot of people, I look to the chat, lot of people say that we had not top this bull run. So we will take not 68 drop like in the previous cycle. This time is different. No, I not agree with them. you have to understand the structure of the Bitcoin price. This is not, I give you 20% right. The problem is, if you look here, this was also a cycle, yeah, but this cycle ends here. Now we have this in big, where we had this cycle. Now this is ending. I know after this, the price will go here to the upside, yeah. But this here is have to, or how can I say, have to connect to this, yeah. This was our cycle, beginning cycle. I make here B, begin cycle, end cycle, yeah. So we have to go here to the begin cycle, and that's the key here to understand that we have to go here to the downside. So if you look to the EXO chart, footprint data, this pump was big short squeeze, a lot of the PP shorting at low and filling big limits order for Wolf. Now traders will be bearish and shorting till 50,000. I would say from this point, okay, but if we're going lower, the shorting is risk, yeah, more risk. Yeah. So I think I already uh, call this bearish trend at these levels. Yeah, 65, 7,000. I said the price will go here to the downside. Nobody believed me. They call me here clown and what they call me a clown and that I'm negative to Bitcoin. No, I'm a crypto bull. Yeah, I want that the price is going to upside, but I can't lie my subscribers. Yeah, why I should lie my subscribers? So I think it's better every time better to say here the truth, and the truth is the price will go here to the downside. So we're looking here now. The question here from Hauken is: will Bitcoin be dead after 2029, or will it go to million? I'm honest to you. I think if you have experience in trading and follow the market, I don't know how old you, yeah, but at 2000 there was a Nasdaq crisis, yeah. At this time, 2000, the Nasdaq is going very big to the upside, yeah. That was really like Bitcoin, yeah. And after that, the crash is coming, and the price of Nasdaq and so on is going to the downside, yeah. So I think after 2029, after the bull market, the Bitcoin price will smash to the downside, yeah. But the price will go sideways and like bull, yeah, maybe 10 years or 15 years will happening nothing, yeah. So I think the price will go stable, and then more and more companies, um, the quality companies like Apple, Amazon, yeah, um, like these big companies, we will see also at the crypto area companies that getting rising and getting big companies. Yes, I agree with you. Um, 13 to 15,000, but I think this time is getting more worse. I think target is I think 9,000. Even if the people not understand and not believe, you have to look here to this, and we see also here at the RSI, we test the last test here. Look here, yeah. So it make no sense if the price is going here more to the upside. We have here a downtrend, so maybe a little bit, then I'm not calculating that the price is going to the upside. So I hope I could explain my view to the Bitcoin price, that I have a smile in my face because no matter what happens here, if we take here this way to 34,000 or this way, the price will go here to the downside. And especially for me, it's interesting if we once break here. If the price is break here at 31,000 to, let's say, 31,200 or something like that, then I'm now 100% sure that we will make here this retest and then the price break here down. Yeah, so this here is very important. We are here. Let's look. We are exactly here. Look, this is our uptrend. If the price once go here to the downside, I make this fat here. If this happening here, only one time, then you can forget the Bitcoin price. The uptrend is then broke, yeah, and then they will go slowly and slowly to the downside. Yeah, I think this will happen because I expect, how can I say, I see here formations 3 of 4 is already happened. So the last here is what we will see here is 4 of 4. So already 3 of 4 is happened, yeah. So we have to wait a little bit so that this is here happening and then the price could go here to the downside. So Ralph, I already mentioned this, the lowest price for Bitcoin in my eyes. First 16,000, yeah, 16, 17,000. You can see here this. Let's look. So yeah, you can see the negative trend goes to 16,000. Yeah, 16, 17, 18,000. But after that, we will go. Maybe the trend is going here to 24,000, and then you can see the next move is going to 9,000. Yeah. So in my eyes, we will stay here at this, go to this level, and then go break here out. So we're looking to, I would say, few um, few altcoins if you want, Filecoin. So this is going to Ali. You request this. So general view to Filecoin. Let's look. We have this, and you can see this is going to 250. Yeah. At Filecoin, we have a special construct. This construct is very aggressive. The price is going really hard to the downside. You can see the triangle here. We already break here the negative trend. Yeah. But the problem is that we not break the short-term trend. Yeah, the short-term trend is still negative. You can see. So we have to go here from $15 to the upside that we can make this. If this is happening, then you are a lucky man because from here we could break here out. Yeah. But we are not yet finished because you can see a bear market or start of a bull market is never this. You will never find a chart in which you can see from this, yeah, that we start here a bull run. The price have to go really hard to the downside. Then you can recognize a bull market, start of a bull market, yeah. And you can see that this year we have to add to the chart. Yeah? Then it makes sense if I zoom. So if I zoom, let's look here. So you can see clear that the trend is going to here, and we have a support from here. So this will hold. Yeah, you can see we have a support. Both lines are crossing. And after that, we can start here a really good trend to the upside. I make this fat that you understand this. So why we need this? I explain you this because we have here a wonderful trend. Yeah, I make this a little bit fat that you see this. I hope you understand this. This is technical analysis. Price test this level. This is weak. We're going here to the downside. And due to this formation, this is very aggressive bullish, what you see here. Yeah. I say often short-term negative, but at this moment, I know the price of Filecoin will go here to $13. I know also here the price of Filecoin will go to $1. So my strategy is, yeah, that I could invest here at $2 and sell here at $13. Yeah. So this information I know at this moment. I could make now a video and can say, okay, in the Wolf performance, the price will go here to $1 and go here to $30. And the subscriber or the member from my channel, then they exactly know, okay, price is going to the downside. I prepare myself and then look that the price is going to $30. That is not a random or blah blah. This is fact that we have to go here to the downside to test the negative channel. And we have to go here to the upside because we have a super formation here. Yeah, so very interesting, very hot. So if we are here, then a more sideways movement will begin because we are at August. This is too early. Yeah, this is here too early. Even if you break here this to the outside, that is a pre-step in the whole construct, and more sideways movement will begin here. But the positive thing is we are out of this negative channel, and then we can start. And then I switch to positive in my channel. So I would say we take here, let's take here 3 cryptos. Then I would finish. Then I would make more tomorrow or day after tomorrow. A really good video. So why you saying Sim? Why you saying Ethereum is going to $80? Can you explain you this? I don't think that Ethereum will go to $80. Why you think this? Prediction from my side was Ethereum 1700. Yeah, you can see exactly the price of Ethereum. How can I say reach this? But this is a weak support or resistance. You can see we already fall to the downside. We have here a negative channel. So I'm not calculate. So that the price could go here to 2,400. Even let's say the price is going to 2,400, that's not interesting. The interesting thing here is we already break this, yeah. So I'm not calculating with a rising of this price. I'm more calculating that the price fall really hard to the downside and we can stay here at 400. Yeah, this is my view to Ethereum, but I would not say that the price is going to $80. Let's look. So we have here a point in which we can stay. Yeah. If this not hold, we have a second channel. Yeah. So I would say if this not hold, then we're going here to 280 or 300, but this will hold. Yeah. So maybe you're right with $80, but I think this is too much. If something that is going from 5,000 to zero, then nobody believe the coins. Yeah. So I think we have the energy to fall here to 400. If I predict this 6 months ago, I said here that the price will go here to 700. Yeah, this was only a next prediction, next price prediction, but I make also end target predictions. In the end target prediction, I predict that we will go here to 700 and 800. The people call me crazy. Yeah, as you can see, the price is going here to the downside, and we have here a special situation. Do you Do you really believe at this time here, the price of Ethereum was here 300, that we going here to 5,000? No. Do you now believe that the price will fall to from 1,900 to 400? No. So this is the same information, yeah. If you are here or here, you not believe. So now I say this to you: the price will fall here to the downside. We have also reasons, yeah. It's not so that we say uh, random that the prices fall here to the downside. You can see we have here also at the RSI that the price is tested here, 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 and we break here clear. Yeah, I mentioned the word clear, and these are the signs in which we can see and recognize, oh, something big is coming. So for me, it's here at this point not so interesting. If we make this, yeah, at 39, okay, then we make a test from this level. But in the end of the day, I know, okay, the price will smash to the downside. Yeah. So we're looking here to the chat. I would make here 2 or 3, and then you still think that Bitcoin Cash is falling to 50? No, I think I made today a new video. I think the last or the end target of Bitcoin Cash is $77. I can show you also this. I made today a video. If I show this here, then nobody looked to the video that I made. Here you can see. I think here 72, 77. This is the last price, and you can see we have here a gap. Yeah, and test this level here. So very weak. So the gap is filled from the walls, and then we can go here to the upside. Yes, Bitcoin Cash 77. Thank you, Mr. Yeet. I like your style. You're a unique character and number one in the crypto world. Thank you. But you have to share the video and send this to your friend and family, because I need this, how can I say, sharing of my videos, because YouTube algorithm is working so that the people who look to the video, many people, this is shared by video by YouTube. A question is, as per your understanding, in how many months you think Bitcoin could hit the bottom 9,000? I think the 9,000, if you're looking here at the Bitcoin price. Look, if you see this, yeah, this channel is, you can stretch the channel until September, October. So in my eyes, we could go to this level, yeah, July, maybe August, here to the downside, and could go here to the upside to 26. Why we need this? I explain you this. Let me look. We need this end of the year. So why we need this? Because we have to go out of this negative channel. You can see the two lines here. So we could test here. We have a good support from here. So the 9,000, 10,000 is safe. Yeah. Why? You can see here. We have a good area here. Look, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So this is a very strong area. If this not hold, then we have the next support at 4,000. But 4,000 is in my eyes too hard, too big. Yeah, make no sense here to stretch this to the 4,000 level. This is too extreme. Yeah, but I'm not saying that is not possible. So in my eyes, first 16,000. Second, if this not hold, 9,000. And I think this will hold. If coming very bad, yeah, then we could fall also to 4,000. Yeah, but I would not speculate of 4,000. I would speculate more here this year, because this is a strong resistance, yeah, or good support, and we test this level 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth time, and this will hold. Yeah, but maybe 20% to 4,000. If you're asking when is this possible, in my eyes, look, if we get here a really good downtrend, 16,000 here, yeah, mid of June or end of June, retest 24,000, fall end of the channel here, and then we have to go out of this channel. Yeah, or the walls can stretch this channel also here. We're going here downside and break here at August. One of them is that this or this. So we're looking here in the chat. Yes, I would say 38,000. We have look in the chart. So I have to open here a new chart. The chart is overdraw here. So we're looking here more inside. So I delete here something, yeah, that you can see what happens with the Bitcoin price. So look here. So in the 1 minute chart, it makes no sense. Info for you, yes, the 34,000 is in my eyes finish here, but I explain this in my video here in the live stream that we have two ways. One way is this, more sideways movement, And another way what I like, yeah, then I can say to you 100%. If we once break here this structure here, look here. If this once broke here to the downside, only one time, then we know exactly, oh, something will happen. Yeah, they may make a retest and then fall. So if you have questions, you can tell me this in the chat. You have to tell me the short name, yeah, then I can look. OCCAMVE. You have to give me the full name or the short name. OCC, okay. Now we're looking to OCC. So, okay, this is rising. Oh, Vega rising. This is shit. This is shit. This is nothing. Um, Look, to understand this, if you see something like that, the price is pumping, and you can see the RSI is going really hard to the upside. This is a sign of weakness. Yeah, the walls won't manipulate you. Yeah, that you think, okay, something is going here to the upside. No, this is a fake rising, and you can see here this fake rising will go to this level, yeah, or this level here. One of them is that, yeah. Then you will see from this the price will go here to the downside. So in my eyes, if you're asking me, I expect this here to this. So only the orange line in my eyes is possible, but the volts can stretch to this level, yeah, and then the big falling is coming. So in my eyes, if you look here, this is now 36 cent, possible to go here to 71. But if you want, we can analyze this a little bit exactly. Look, yes, I see here this here in my eyes. Yeah. So this is scenario 1, scenario 2. If the walls want a manipulation, then the price is falling here to the downside and make this. Yeah. Why? Because you can see we have an uptrend here. We have here uptrend. And same as Bitcoin, if we once fall here to the downside, this year, yeah, the how can I say, break the neck. Yeah, if this here going here to the downside, then everything is finished. Yeah, that was what here happening is no matter. Even if you go here to 67, if you break the neck, forget it. So let's look here. I would make here two more. After dash, I would take here two more, and then we finish. So dash. So now you have to tell me what I should look. Is for you interesting how far we can go here at dash to the downside? Or if you want the information like the Wolf exclusive customer, or the Wolf performance customer, or Wolf price target customer, or the customer from the Bitcoin, Wolf Bitcoin Club, which information you want to know here. There's a lot of information here. You have to tell me what you want. Do you want the end target, like in the Wolf performance, and no, the next target is Wolf performance. The Wolf price target is the end target. Wolf exclusive club is the end target. Wolf Bitcoin club is the end target. What you want here? Do you want the price in which we could fall here to the downside? So I wait. You say to me I have to analyze dash. Yes, Simsi, he is educating us all. Yes, you cannot find this in the Moonboy channels. They are stupid people. They talking shit. They talking blah blah. This is here experience. Yeah, this is what you not get in the Moonboy channels. But you're going to the Moonboy channels and look to them. You have to share this video that this channel can grow so that you can earn here money. This channel is focused on make profits. This is the difference to the another channels. The other another channels is only entertainment. Yeah, like watching TV, go to theater, yeah, theater, go to soccer, play. This is entertainment. But here, how you can make profit. This is the focus on this channel. Make money, dollar, euro, yeah. So, um, so you say to me down. I give you the information here. So let me look what we have here. The price is so the price is here 43. You can see go to 65. I expect here downtrend to $20. Why 20? We're looking here. Let me look if we can find here. Give me a little time. You can see we have a good support from here. So the $20 makes sense. Bingo! Ding, 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 ding. You can see here. Do you see how exactly I predict? Uptrend. Here, resistant. Resistant is the new support here. I would say $20. If coming very bad, the volts can stretch this to $9. Between one of them is this. Is that, yeah? $9 and 20. So, but I give you a gift here. You want only one information. I give you here the gift. What I give my members in the Wolf Performance. I give the next information, the Wolf Performance. but in the Wolf Price Target membership or in the Wolf Exclusive Club or Wolf Bitcoin Club, you get this information from my side here. Do you want what will happen with Dash? Nobody will believe that. Look, the price is going from this information you never see in another channel, because these channels are make operations with the crypto exchanges and so on. Yeah, these people never tell you the truth. They don't want this. Yeah, they don't want this, and they have also not the knowledge to do this. Yeah, but if you look here, this is a big triangle, and this big triangle goes to what we have here, to until November 2023. What that means for us? That means for me, to this point, nothing will happen. Yeah? So I have to not invest. Yeah? I should not invest, because I know from to this year this is that. This what here happening is blah blah. Yeah. So, and you can see we will make here a really good formation. And for me is interesting here what happens here 2023. Yeah. And in my eyes, what I think the experience tell me, that we will go out of channel, yeah, and prepare here the next move. Yeah. Look, we will test this level here and make our next formation. You can see we tested 1, 2, 3. Price is going really hard to the downside. Everybody get here shock, and then the next move is very hot. Yeah. And this information you get only in the membership, because I'm not telling here so much in the free channel. And in my eyes, the end target of Dash, if this project is not that, is something like $4,000. The price has ranges. Yeah, this is a megaphone pattern, has ranges to, I would say, let's look. If we take this, I have to adjust a little bit. One moment, please. So, yes, Dash has energy to this level here. Yeah. So between $3,000 and $4,000. Yeah. That is possible due to these formations. Yeah, because in a bull market is so that this year is the last fragment. Yeah, this is the last hammer. And after that, the prices of the cryptos or assets and gold, silver going crazy. Yeah. And after that, we will see here a really good left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. So for me, it's clear this has potential to the upside, but we have to wait a little bit. And if the project is here dead, yeah, you can forget this prediction. Keep in your mind, yeah, the vaults have every control. Yeah, they can finish the project and you stay. Invest here, but project is not there. So I would take 2 and then I would finish. So let's look hero. Maybe a new subscriber. I give you this. Forget Meta Hero. This is a coin from Facebook. Or I not like Facebook. These people are not sympathetic to me. I don't know if this belongs to Facebook. Can somebody give me the answer if Meta Hero is a corporation from Facebook? Ryan, I give you the answer. I um, I read the question for all the subscribers. You're asking me how can you predict the end target of a certain coin when there's no maximum supply or when only 50% of the coins are circulation? Yes, yeah. I give you the answer. The market is manipulated by the big banks. Yeah, big banks, vaults, rich people. They need no supply. If they want, they can stretch the formation. Yeah, and that's the point. Yeah, that is the point. Yeah, and that makes the prediction also. Um, how can I say? We can predict here. Yes, this is possible. But for me, is at this point also difficult to say if the price is going to 008 or 0010. That is difficult, but the structure is easy. So I hope you can I answer your question. So we're looking here to Meta Hero. So we delete this. So in my eyes, if you look here, look, for you as Meta Hero holder, is this important here? This here. You have to focus on this. Why we have to focus on this? Because this was a this was in the area in which the Bitcoin price has his all-time high. Yeah, that is for you important. But we know from the Bitcoin price that we have here a really good uptrend. Yeah. So look here. I know this, we have a good uptrend. So this has potential in my eyes to 80 cent. Now you think, what the fuck? The price is 001, 80 cent. How this is possible? This is possible if the project is not dead. The price is going slowly to the sideways. Yeah? Slowly, 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 and then we make here this structure. What structure is this? I give you the answer. I hope you see this. This here. This is a retest of this area. That means this was the first time. It's the second time. Yeah. Please look to the timeline. Yeah. 001, 10 cent. And you can see we will test this the third time. Yeah. And here 2024, 25, then this resistant we will break here. And then from this point we can build the next structure. The next structure is here. From 10 cent, the next structure is at 30 cent. Yeah. If you want, the next structure is something like that. Retest of this level here. And finally breakout. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So I take one more and then I would finish. So uh, one question is, how do you determine when a left shoulder head, the right shoulder formation is forming or about to form? This, my friend, is experience and secret. Yeah, if I tell this to the people, then I can finish here. This is experience. This is not easy. This is experience. If I look to the Bitcoin price, then um, I explain you this to you. I'm married with the Bitcoin price. So for me is lunchtime Bitcoin. If I sleep Bitcoin. If I wake up Bitcoin. Yeah. If I'm working Bitcoin. Yeah. I look the Bitcoin chart. I understand. Okay, close after 2 hours. I open the chart. Okay, we are here. Close. Yeah. So this is pure experience. Yeah. So and that's the benefit of this long experience that for me is not much surprise. Yeah, so if I look to that, I understand. Okay, we test here one, two, three, and normally we have to go here to the downside, and there are one or two possibilities. Yeah, that the walls can stretch and make it difficult. But in the end of the day, we have here a clear structure. We have clear retests. Yeah. For example, this is also nice. Yeah. If you look here, this is in my eyes also very exclusive information. Look here. We test the level here, the uptrend one time. We test this a second time, and this is the third time. That is clear that the price will not break here to the downside. Yeah. This is only short term. Yeah. In the long term, this information is not so interesting because the whole construct is negative. Here you can see we have a negative channel and still in the negative trend. So I take one more and then I finish. Extorian, if you give me, how can I say, a good job, yeah, in which I never have to work, yeah, pay me 100,000 or 200,000, then I have nothing to work, yeah. Uh, I give you the secret. I have to say this is very difficult. Very high level looking and comparing, and this is very hard work. Yeah, this is the different to other channels. I make me a lot of work to explain you this why is this falling and why is it going to the upside. Yeah. So I would say please request in the Wolf Profi. I would make here a Z and a Sunny. I don't know what Sunny is. I would give you the advice not invest in these shit coins. So this will go here to the upside, but um, I would say pure manipulated here to the downside. Yeah. Um, okay, we have here a structure that is not bad, but you can see from this behavior the formation is stretched to the long or wide area. Normally this formation is something like that, and they stretch this formation from here to here. And yes, if you look this long term, then you can recognize that we are here in a triangle and that this here will break to the upside. Yes, we also recognize that has potential. Yeah, if this project is not that, then we can expect a formation like that. But we have to look here more to the timeline. Yeah, I said to you, I not expect here 2022 a rising of these formations here. No, I expect at the beginning of 2023 a little bit rising to the upside. So for me, is this your sideways movement? Upside is this, yeah, 002 to test this level here and form here a really good structure. But I'm honest to you, I like this, yeah, 002. What I not like is this here. That is in my eyes shit. Yeah. So if we now going here to 002, then maybe you have to wait a long time at 2024, 25. Then you are frustrated, yeah, and you're selling then, yeah. You understand? So then you get here this formation, and maybe in the end of the bull market, you can see you wait here from 3 years. In the end of the bull market, you get this. Yeah. There are other cryptos, they are much better than this here. I would not. It's not financial advice here, but I never take this serious, such like this project, or even if I look, then I go to the next crypto and say no. Yeah. So we're making Zen and we make finish. So very quality in my eyes, very hot. Yeah. Very exclusive hot. Yeah. So if you look here to this, um, we have a risk that the price can fall here to 20 cent. We have a risk that the price fall to this level here, 58 cent. And let's look more inside to understand this. Price was here 90 cent. We have here 46 cent. I would say the price, haha, you can see. I draw here some points for you between 56 cent and 30 cent. Yeah? And if you look here, the behavior of them, then you will recognize that we go here nearly, if we're staying here still here at 150 and low level is 90, then you can expect that the price is going to 30. Yeah, yeah. Good support. You can see good support. Let's look if we have here a support from this area. If we say, okay, this is our uptrend, makes sense, yeah, uptrend, but this is not 100% behavior in which we can trust, yeah, not trust that the price has here uptrend, this will hold. No, we could go really hard to 30 cent, but I see the future of Zen if this project is not that very brilliant, yeah, very hot. I expect that we will go out of this channel, make this, blah blah, to end of this year, and then the fire can begin. This exclusive content, yeah, how far we can go here to the upside, this information has only the Wolf performance memo because I already made a video about sand in the Wolf performance. So these members, they already know how far we can go here to the upside. Yeah. So maybe a tip for you. It's not financial advice, but I would recommend it. Send. From the technical point of view, a very hot crypto. Let me look this. Yes, this is very exclusive. So, last question is the wolf are not of the green today, so it is bottom or just a little fake out. It's a fake outbreak. If you look here to the Bitcoin chart, this is a fake outbreak. This is here we can look, or look, we take another chart so that we see here something. So, so in my eyes, this is a fake outbreak of Bitcoin. Um, Especially if you see here a invert hammer like this. This is a catastrophe. So in this case, you see we're dancing here on this uptrend here. Look, and if this line is tested so much, every blind man can see this. Look, we test this here, 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 and here. You really believe this will hold? No, this is shit. The volts manipulated to the upside. So even look, even if you have here this move to the upside, yeah, even if we get this here to this, we are in a negative area. Yeah, even if they do this, this is shit. This is forgive me the word, yeah, the word, yeah, but this is this is broke. Yeah. One info, then I close. If we going to 34,000 here, then this fall is more and more harder. Yeah, keep this in your mind because we're coming from here 24,000, 25,000. If we're going to this, yeah, then we can expect the price. If we're going to 34,000, then we're landing here at 14,000. Yeah, it's depend how far we can go here to the upside. If we go more to the upside, even more harder we will fall. So I finished this. I would say have a nice day. Look to the My Membership, then you get exclusive content. I will start this weekend with the Wolf Performance video analysis. Yeah, so you get every month free cryptos from my side in the Wolf Performance. I will start this weekend with this video. The next is the Wolf Price Target videos, yeah, video analysis. And if somebody want request individual analysis, yeah, if somebody say to me, okay, um, I want that you analyze for me 5 cryptos, then you have to write me in Twitter and say, okay, I want 5, you pay for 4, you have a benefit, and you get this analysis in 24 hours. Yeah, if something is very quick, have to be done quick. Yeah, and the Wolf Profi members, they get the analyze. I would say we have beginning of June, so in 14, 15 days they will get this. Yeah. No, Patreon, I will not recommend it. They take a lot of money and the platform is shit. Yeah. I know some of the people follow this ch- um, platform, but it's hard in um, to take place in different platforms. Yeah. So, no problem. You are welcome. Have a nice evening and see you tomorrow. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you.